there, welcome to Burlington Chevy. This is a custom video presentation for you, our customer, who's requesting information on these two really exciting pickup trucks. An F-150 2011 48K with an FTX custom conversion package that makes this a unique and special truck. The base of the truck is a 2011 crew cab lariat in white with all of the premium lariat features, including heated seats, cooled seats, and I believe this guy even has navigation, and you can see it also has a custom wood trim that is part of the FTX all-terrain package. This truck is really the top of the line of Ford, but it features additional features that are part of this wonderful conversion package that includes a 3-inch lift as well as chrome wheels, off-road tires, chrome step bumpers, a hard tonneau cover, and a different hood and a front push bar. As you can see, it also has the larger trailer towing mirrors, an exceptionally well-equipped truck that is absolutely beautifully maintained, that has been through our shop. It's really a unique statement. Ourselves on having some of the most unique pickup trucks, and the best part is someone else spent a lot of money to make this the way it is, and you get to reap the benefit by buying the car used. Next, let's go on to this Ford F-150 Raptor. We don't have the keys to it, but we can tell you what it's all about. Someone else has the keys because they obviously have a customer interested in it. Now, the Raptor is a unique, high-performance off-road pickup truck. A little different than the Lariat in that it has the larger 6.2-liter motor and is part of Ford's special vehicle technology program that has existed and produced a number of high-performance vehicles over the years. The Raptor has larger wheels, larger tires. It comes set up for off-road. This one has additional lighting on the front for off-road. It has a very expensive LED overhead lighting system and fog lights, and the center fog light that really illuminates for when you're off-road. And even in regular driving, those center fog lights are unbelievable. You also will find on this truck you have your high-density headlight system. They are the lights that when the truck's coming at you, when it's coming at you, you think it's blinding you, but the driver can see where he's going. This is one of the new high-tech headlight systems. This truck also has the Raptor graphics package, which features the Raptor F-150 logo on the front, as well as the side graphics package. This one is a premium leather seats and other features. It has the standard running boards, moonroof. The interior is black on this vehicle, and it is a perfect example of what this vehicle should be. Frankly, the guy who traded this truck in traded it in on one of our crazy customized new trucks, and these trucks occupy a place in the market that is unique, for there is way more demand for them than there are trucks on the market. Anyone who knows pickups would love to own this truck. They are totally a unique experience. come in, we're committed to giving you the right price and making you a deal. We're part of Burlington Auto Group. We have a bunch of dealerships, and our pride is that we satisfy every customer. And your salesperson, and I'm going to show you who he is. He's a great guy. His customers love him. We love him. You know, come down, see him. I promise you, there's no pressure. We're not about that. We're about selling good cars. All right. It was great talking to you. Have a great day.